Now, there's another aspect to text format filters that are important to understand, which is the order of the filter execution. So I'm going to jump to our text formats page. We'll go to basic HTML and configure it and scroll down. Now, we can enable the filters here, and then below that, we can change the order of the filters. Sometimes the order doesn't matter, but occasionally the order is critical. So let's say we don't want people to be able to add links, but we do want them to be able to add a URL, and we will automatically convert that to a link. So this is a way that we can keep them honest and show the URL that the link is actually going to. So what we can do is use the limit allowed HTML tags to not allow anchor tags, and we can use convert URLs to links to convert the URLs. However, if we convert the URLs to links first and then strip the anchor tags, they won't be links anymore. So we need to make sure that it goes in the other direction. First, we strip out any anchor tags that they've added, and then we convert the URLs to links.